Hari Om, how are you student? Today we are going to learn quick revision of chapter number 1, and the first theory is write the statement of Coulomb's law and also explain its vector form. It is the very much important question for board exam, asked in 2 mark. So let's first write the statement. The electrical force between the 2 point charges is directly proportional to the product of their charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them as per the gravitational law. When we remove the sign of proportionality, there will be a constant k, and the value of k is 9 into 10 raised to 9, which we use in sum for the further lecture. So next question is its vector form. So first of all we draw the figure from the origin. Two point charge q1 and q2 kept at the position vector r1 and r2. Here both charges are positive, that's why the force act on it is repulsive. So force on first charge due to the second charge, which can be written as F12 kq1 q2 upon r12 square into r12 caret. It shows the direction and it is known as unit vector. Similar, the charge q1 is also apply the force on charge 2, which is written as F21 k q1 q2 r21 square dot r21 caret. But as we know that r21, which is written as r2 minus r1, 11 science chapter number 3, motion in a plane. So if we common the negative sign, it will be written as r1 minus r2. So r2 minus r1 is written as r21. So r1 minus r2 can be written as r12. Yes. So from this equation we can say that F21 equal to minus F12. So according to Newton's third law, the force between two charges are equal in opposite direction. So thank you. Keep working for the board exam and please share this video to the needy people. Thank you. Best of luck.